Tell us where we're going.
The beach.
This is Rob tying his shoes. This is Martha. She's excited to go hiking.
If you told me you took a photo, you're recording.
I'm recording.
Oh my goodness.
Like, look at all these people they brought back. So many people.
If you think about it, it's just fries, cheese curds, and gravy. Yeah.
Well, you save $5 and you go 3 hours. How many people? I don't think I could spend 3 hours on that.
What can you do for 3 hours on that?
Go up, go down, go up, go down, go up, go down, go up, down.
I get down from there. It's $15 an hour.
Yeah, we don't have that kind of money.
Challenge course.
So here, you look so good on camera.
Alright, like when we're done. Drops everything for the shot.
There you go, send them both to you.
Okay.
That kick was right to you.
Are you gonna climb from the rocks?
Yeah, but I don't want to fall and die. Higher?
She could
A
be.
little bit high right now.
Oh,
Yeah.
tree's sharp.
Look at the Jungle Book, the dead tree.
I'm actually so scared for you.
No, she's gonna die. It's fine.
Determined.
I'm gonna beat yourself.
Imagine. It's tilting.
Don't kill yourself.
Am I winning?
Oh my God. As long as you don't fall at the very end.
Yeah, Matt, don't.
Don't say
I'm
that.
sorry.
God.
So here, you should go up there and like.
Yeah, should I go up there and help you up, Sarah?
No, I think I'm good.
Alright. Peter Williams can beat it back down.
Woo! She made it.
Oh yeah, look over here. Do your victory wave. Yeah.
Wanna have a house party.
That's only you.
Run. Go.
Yeah, Brady, pass
Okay.
Spill the beer.
It's pretty deep.
Is it? Say alphabet.
Mosquito bite of the year.
Yeah, there we go.
Yeah, I know.
Let me see.
Oh, I just flicked it off.
Yeah, but I think smaller. I'd like grab it.
Your shades make you look cool with the blue in the background. Say aluminum foil.
Aluminum foil.
Okay, that sounded the same.
Oh, I
Water.
have one.
Water.
A what?
Say water.
Water.
You say it, Sahir?
Water.
Water. You guys say route. It's a root.
Yeah, yeah.
Root. I say
Yeah.
root.
Say route.
Yeah.
Some people say route though.
No,
Yeah.
the Americans say route.
Yeah.
Yeah. Rubber, eraser,
Yes.
jumper.
What about those hats? What do you call them?
What do we call it?
No, I call them.
Me neither.
British
I can't do
accent.
impressions. I can't do impressions. I cannot do impressions. Doing.
So sugary. What? It's so sugary. I feel like I'm gonna throw up. And then when you throw it,
South America. So South Africa, sorry.
Yeah.
it's also hard to throw it because like you can't.
But I don't know where I was born.
Alright.
Like I've never met like oh shit!
I know.
Yeah, you might want to go get stitches.
Rob, look here.
Is it stitches, really?
Don't pull down. Don't pull down.
So Rob cut his eye open.
I'm eating a donut.
That picture and this like wall in the same frame. You said.
What?
They had that sign and this.
And that frame.
Hey.
Once I got.
Are you taking a video or a picture?
She's zooming in, but
Oh.
I'm.
Oh wow, that's a good stitch. Impressive.
They're loving me right now.
No, and she got tons of footage.
I know. I got the whole like beach day gone wrong.